southern Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, Putnam County in western West Virginia, Mason County in western West Virginia, northeastern Wayne County in western West Virginia, northwestern Lincoln County in central West Virginia, southwestern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, Cabell County in central West Virginia, northwestern Genoa County in central West Virginia, until 9 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that heavy rain was falling over the area. The heavy rain has caused flooding already, and more rain is moving into the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen, with an additional inch expected to fall. Some locations that will experience flooding include Huntington, Ashland, Ironton, Nitro, Point Pleasant, Gallup Lease, Winfield, Cold Grove, Oak Hill, Hamlin, Rio Grande, Chesapeake, Montourville, Lake Vesuvius, St. Albans, Hurricane, Barbersville, Kenova, Simpsonville, and Milton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In early terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Please report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page, or by using the Twitter hashtag.
They did it again!
Here is a special weather state.
They cut out the freaking flood warning. And I do apologize for the static, by the way, but... What? That's twice they did that.